Let's do a quick check-in on the QQQ position that I have been rolling every week. You may recall that last week the price had pulled back so much that I actually rolled my options contracts out 2 weeks instead of 1 week, but we'll check in and see where things stand today just to see if there's anything that I need to do to adjust or plan.
Like and subscribe to make sure you don't miss any updates.
On August 9th, with the share price of QQQ at $447.25, I made a couple of adjustments. I sold a covered call with a strike price of $475 that expires 1 week from today on 8/23. And I sold a cash secured put with a strike price of $410. Also, while the share price was depressed, I went ahead and picked up 3 more shares, paying $447.25 a piece for them. So let's take a look and see where the position is right now. The $410 put now has a value of about $3 and is very likely to expire worthless next week. I could pay $3 and close it out today, but since I'm not planning to sell another put, I'm just going to leave that one alone. And the $475 covered call is now in the money. $475 is higher than my cost basis, than my adjusted cost basis or my total investment in these shares, but I really don't want to be assigned at $475. My original plan was to try to increase the strike price to $490. And right now I could roll it up by moving my expiration date out to September 20th. I could increase my strike price to $490, but I'd only receive about $17 for that roll. I do have a limit order placed with a limit of $310 to try to roll that covered call up above the price at which I was assigned the shares. So let's see if that still looks like a reasonable roll. The extrinsic value of this call is still $476, and that amount is going to erode over the next week. So if I could roll it right now for $17 and the current open trade has an extrinsic value of $472, that lets me know that this limit order of $310 is still a reasonable limit order to leave open. So I'm going to just let it sit there, see what happens. There is a possibility that it would be executed sometime during the next week, and if it's not, I'll adjust this position next Friday on August 23rd when this position expires. So check back next week and we'll see what happens.